In this video, I will show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify on your phone. To do this, simply going to open up the Shopify app, and what you want to do is click on the three lines in the bottom, and then scroll down until you see apps. From there, click on plus, and then here just sign in with your account, and then at the top, click on the search icon and search for CJ. From there, after you click on search, you will then find CJ Dropshipping, so we're going to click on install, and then confirm by again clicking on install. After doing that, it will then redirect you to CJ Dropshipping. From there, you want to go and create an account if you don't have one yet. If you already have one, just go and log in. And after you do that, it will then be connected to Shopify, and you can then use it to add products and import products, do order fulfillment, etc. So that's how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify on your phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.